Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Moto Edge 20 Pro, and let me share with you how to clear browsing data on this device. So first of all, let's open your browser. In my case it will be Google Chrome, and now we have to tap on the three dots again, in the right upper corner. Now let's enter the history, and as you can see here we've got the list of previously visited websites. Of course, if you want to, you can remove them manually, one by one, just by tapping on this X button. But if your list is so wide and if you'd like to remove all of them, just tap on clear browsing data, and here we've got some basic and advanced options. In basics we've got only browsing history, cookies and site data, and cached images and files, and in advanced we've got also saved passwords, autofill from data, and site settings. So if you want to remove something, just make sure that it is marked. I will mark everything. What's more, we can change the time range from last hour to, for example, last 7 days. So if you're ready, just want clear data, and we just go back to the history, which is right now empty, and it means that we just successfully removed actually everything. So starting of course from the browsing history to the saved passwords. So actually this is it. This is how to clear browsing data in your Motorola Moto Edge 20 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.